Magpo-post ka pa rin ba ng videos kahit 0 likes at 100 lang yung views mo? Hi, I'm Ella, and I'm passionate about life, business, and wellness. And of course, absolutely, I will still make content and post contents kahit 0 likes at konti lang din yung nanonood. Because I'm not doing this for that. I'm doing this for the person that will see this, and I want them to remember that life is worth living for. There's a lot of beautiful things that you can experience in this life. And I just want you to remember that no matter what happened, no matter what your situation is, how hard it is, or how dark it is, there's always love, joy, hope, and light available for you. That you are capable of creating change in your life. That's the video for today. See you tomorrow. Mwah, mwah.